You're back on Casual Comfort. Here you'll learn how to dress elegantly and effortlessly. Today, I'll show you how to build fall outfits for petite women and reveal timeless autumn capsule wardrobe essentials that flatter your proportions and elevate your everyday style. If you've ever felt that fall layers make you look shorter or bulkier, this video will help you create harmony, balance, and pure sophistication in every look. Begin with streamlined foundations. A well-balanced outfit starts with the right base. For petite women, the goal is to keep lines long and clean. Start with slim-fit trousers, straight-leg jeans, or sleek tailored pants that visually lengthen your legs. Stick to solid colors: black, chocolate brown, charcoal, or deep navy. Tuck in a fine knit sweater or a soft silk blouse to define your waistline. If you want extra comfort, choose a mid-rise cut, but for a truly elongating effect, go for high-waisted styles. The key is to create a smooth transition between your top and bottom so the eye moves vertically, not horizontally. Add cropped or structured layers. Outerwear can make or break your proportions. Avoid oversized jackets that drown your frame. Instead, embrace cropped blazers, fitted denim jackets, or tailored short trenches that hit right at the top of your hips. These instantly lengthen the legs and balance the silhouette. If you want warmth without bulk, layer a thin cashmere cardigan underneath. Choose monochrome layering, for example, a beige jacket over cream trousers, for a seamless, elongated line. It's the easiest way to look taller while keeping your style cozy and refined. Midi skirts and fitted dresses. For fall, nothing feels more elegant than a midi skirt that sways just below the knee. It adds femininity without overwhelming your frame. Look for A-line, wrap, or bias-cut silhouettes that move softly as you walk. Pair them with fitted knits or cropped blouses to define your upper body. If you love dresses, choose those with empire or belted waists. They highlight your shape and make your legs appear longer. Complete your outfit with ankle boots in the same tone as your tights or skirt. This visual continuity subtly elongates your legs. Layer with lightness and precision. Layering is one of fall's greatest joys, but for petite women, it's all about restraint. Instead of bulky knits or oversized scarves, think delicate layers. Try a thin turtleneck under a sleeveless wool vest or a soft cardigan tucked into tailored trousers. Balance proportions by keeping one part of your outfit fitted. If your sweater is loose, let your bottoms be slim. This creates harmony and avoids visual clutter. Play with textures: suede, ribbed knit, satin, to bring depth and warmth to your outfit without heavy layering. haven't already, subscribe to Casual Comfort for more elegant, effortless fashion ideas for real women who love timeless style. Click that like button if this video inspires you, and leave a comment sharing your favorite petite outfit formula. I always enjoy reading your thoughts and connecting with you in the comments. The monochrome effect. Vertical emphasis. When in doubt, go monochrome. Dressing head to toe in similar shades is the most elegant petite styling trick there is. It creates a continuous vertical flow that lengthens the silhouette. Try shades of oatmeal, camel, ivory, or dusty rose for a soft fall palette. You can also play with subtle contrast, pairing a cream sweater with taupe trousers and a beige coat. Use vertical details like front seams, long cardigans, or pendant necklaces to draw the eye up and down. The result? Instantly taller, effortlessly refined. Petite-friendly outerwear. Every autumn capsule wardrobe needs the perfect coat, but not all coats flatter petite frames. Skip oversized long-line versions that overwhelm your shape. Instead, choose tailored coats that end mid-thigh or just above the knee. Look for structured shoulders and a defined waist. A belted trench or wool wrap coat tied slightly above your natural waist will elongate your legs and emphasize your figure. Neutral shades like camel, gray, or forest green pair beautifully with everything. Add a narrow scarf draped vertically for an extra lengthening illusion, chic and practical for crisp fall mornings. Build your autumn capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is more than just minimalism. It's a philosophy of dressing with ease and intention. For petite women, this means curating pieces that mix beautifully and never overpower your frame. Begin with a neutral foundation, 2 soft sweaters, cream and caramel, 1 crisp white blouse, a pair of tailored trousers, a flattering midi skirt, a cropped jacket, a short trench, and a versatile knit dress. Add footwear that balances comfort and elegance, ankle boots with pointed toes, loafers, or ballet flats with a low heel. Accessories make the difference. A slim leather belt to highlight the waist, dainty earrings, and a structured handbag to balance proportions. Keep your color palette cohesive. Think beige, taupe, olive, and soft brown, so every piece pairs effortlessly with the next. This capsule approach not only saves time but also ensures every outfit looks polished, elevated, and in harmony with your proportions. You'll never feel like you have nothing to wear. Every item will serve multiple purposes while keeping your style beautifully refined. And that's how you can create elegant fall outfits for petite women, refined, timeless, and easy to wear. Your height doesn't define your elegance. Your proportions, confidence, and the way you wear your clothes do. If this video inspired you, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Casual Comfort for more ideas that help you dress beautifully and feel your best every season.